how to log in KuCoin account. So if you want to log in to your KuCoin account, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your KuCoin application, or you can also go with your browser. You can simply go with KuCoin login and go with the first option, which is www.kucoin.com, and it will take you to this kind of interface. If you're with the application also, it will take you to this kind of interface, right? So in order to log into your KuCoin, you can simply use your email or your phone number, or you can use your sub account if you have your sub account. So I'll just use my email or phone number, and here you need to enter your email address. So just enter your email address that you've used while creating your account, or you can also log in with your Passkey, your Telegram, your Google, or your Apple. So I'll just enter the email and then tap on next. Now you need to enter the login password. So if you forgot your password, you can go with forgot password, which is right here. Or if you remember, then just enter your password. And once you enter your password, you need to go with login. Now just enter your password. Now once you enter, tap on login and verify. Tap on I'm a human. Now you will receive a verification code to the email address. So you just need to simply enter the verification code and tap on submit. And that's it, you've been logged in. So that's how you can log into your KuCoin account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.